So guys, I often get asked on the channel, how accessible are some resorts? Now, to be honest, this hasn't been something I've particularly thought about including in my videos. I'm glad one of my viewers highlighted this issue, and certainly I'm going to mention that here while we're in Torremolinos. Now, Torremolinos isn't the most accessible place for anybody with any kind of disability, because it's split onto two levels. You've got the promenade down below and you've got the town, which is further up the cliff. There is a rather attractive route through the old town, however that's all steps and cobbled streets, which is a little bit difficult. However, there is a lift here in the town. We're going to be taking that lift down to the promenade area. It's not 100% accessible, however, and I'll explain why when we get there. So to find the lift, you need to be here, the Plaza de Panorama. As you can see, we've got steps here, that one being the shortest one. There is a ramp further across if you come in a different area. I'll show you here, you need to come in off this street here. And there is a disabled ramp there for wheelchair access or buggies and pushchairs, and then we have the lift here. It will cost you 50 cents to go down in one direction per adult. So the lift brings you out here, this level. You also get a ticket when you pay to come down. It's pretty much meaningless, however I guess it's because it's got numbers on it and they can keep an eye on how many people are using it. So when you come out from the lift, you'll see you've got stairs there up to another part of the old town, and then we've also got steps here down to the street, which isn't great for accessibility. There's this here with just sign for disabled, however seem to be faced with more steps. It does say you can call the elevator. I'm not sure where the location of the elevator is, however. So whilst it's great that there is some lift down from the main area of Torremolinos, it isn't actually that good if you've got any kind of mobility issues. So I thought I'd just include that little piece of public information there for you for this video. I hope it's useful for anybody considering visiting Torremolinos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.